I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and this is DaVita Health Care. You can see what's going on here. This stock had a heck of a breakout today. It's only up less than 5%. So based on what some of these other stocks have been doing, you'll go like, oh my gosh, 20%. It's only a 5% move. If we look at the weekly chart, again, you can get a sense of what's happening. I'm looking at this stock as kind of making a decisive breakout from this trading box. Same thing here. I'll draw the same box here. Okay, so this is the breakout from this thing. And so, look, the box is about really more like $10. And so I'm looking at this stock and I can see it running up. Okay, 130 isn't that big a deal, right? From where it is now, not that much at all, 5-ish%. But the way this stock is moving and by the way this volume has been increasing, I think a good price target for this would be more like 135. I don't see why it can't go back up to this level. This is a company, they do dialysis for end-stage renal disease. And so, now that the lockups tend to be over, then there's more people that can go in and get themselves assessed and treated and realize that after a couple of years of lockdowns and them not getting treatment, and by the way, I know somebody who this happened to, so this isn't just me spitballing. Now they can finally go in and get looked at again and realize, hey, I'm in the end stage of renal disease. Maybe I need dialysis. So, hey, man, I guess lockdowns have been good for somebody or some company. And so that's me editorializing. I do that sometimes. Some of you are nodding your heads. Others are clicking off the video right about now. Anyway, so I'm looking at this as having more upside, but you always have to prepare for the downside. And so I would say that if you are buying this stock, remember these videos are for educational purposes only, I would have the stop right down here. So you're not risking that much money. And the reason here is because if the stock falls back below this breakout, well, then it was a fake out. The breakout just didn't work. If instead you say, well, I'm going to put the stop down here. Okay, well, if you're going to do that, then why don't you put it down below this level here? And the reason you're not going to do that is because you're slowly ratcheting down your stop from a relatively small loss to a huge loss. And so you don't want to do that. I would say take a small position here if you're making this trade, and then just see what happens when it starts to pull back. And it will. They always do. So anyway, that's all I got for you for the weekend. Members, I'm covering a lot of stocks, and our active trade list is doing pretty well. So make sure you check that out. All right, see you on Monday.